Hey guys, welcome back to iGeekCentral. Today we are unboxing the original Asus ROG Ally, a handheld gaming device that was launched in 2023. Let's dive right into it and see if it's still worth buying in 2024. Let's start with the unboxing. The original ROG Ally was launched on June 13, 2023. Inside the box, we have the ROG Ally itself. It runs on Windows 11, so you can play wide range of games available on PC. Running on Windows means the ROG Ally supports a vast library of PC games, from AAA titles to indie games. If it runs on Windows, you can likely play it on this device. Steam, Epic Games, Xbox Pass, you name it. This makes it a versatile gaming companion. Now let's talk about the features. It has a 7-inch 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate. As you can see the I/O ports, it has 3.5mm combo audio jack. It has one Type-C power delivery 3.0 port. It also has UHS 2 micro SD card reader. As you can see the control and input, it has the regular A, B, X, Y buttons and the D-pad, analog triggers, LNR bumpers, view button, a full-size analog sticks with capacitive touch. It has the vibration motor inside, so when you play the games, it's gonna give you a haptic feedback. If you talk about the network and communication, it has the Wi-Fi 6E and a Bluetooth 5.2 support. It also has the fingerprint scanner right on the power button. When you buy a Asus ROG Ally, they give you 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate included. It is powered by a custom AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor with Radeon integrated graphics. Inside the box, we have the ROG Ally itself, a 65 watts charger, some paperwork, and a warranty card, keeping it simple and straightforward. Asus says the battery life can last up to 8 hours of gameplay on a single charge, but I have to see that and I will show you in the next video. As you can see, there is a stand for Asus ROG Ally that's just right hidden under the box. This stand looks really nice, but it's just made of plastic. Let's plug in the device and turn it on. As you can see, it runs on Windows 11, and I'll just skip the setup for now and go right into the desktop. I feel like icons are really small and you have to touch them precisely. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel and let me know if you want to know more about this device. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.